Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue. Today we are going to do les articles contractés, contractual article. We have studied definite, indefinite, partitive articles. Now we will do contractual articles. How contractual articles are made? Let's see. Now observe certain sentences in front of you. I am going to the school. The father of the little boy is a doctor. In the above sentences, the group of words to, the, and of the are made up of preposition to and of plus the definite article the. So it's a combination of to and of with the. Okay, to, the, and of the. So contractual article meanings are to, the, and of the. Now let's see how we make them. We can do the same in French too by combining the preposition a and the with the definite articles. So basically the contractual articles are in two forms, a with the preposition a and with preposition the. Okay, so there are two types of contractual articles. Now over here you can see a preposition is there. A means to, at, in, and the means of or from. And for the contractual article, we combine these both prepositions with definite articles, la, l apostrophe, le, which means the. So when we combine a plus definite articles, the meaning becomes to, the, at, the, in, the. When we combine the with definite articles, the meaning becomes of, the, from, the. So contractual articles are in two forms, with the a preposition and the preposition. Okay, remember it. And according to the meaning, we put these both forms of contractual articles. Now you can see over here it is written a preposition and definite articles. So we individually combine it. A plus l becomes au. It is basically contracted to au. A plus la becomes ala. A plus l apostrophe becomes l apostrophe. A plus le becomes AUXO. Okay, so the meaning becomes to, the, at, the, and in the. Now how we use them? When the nouns are in masculine, when the masculine nouns are there, we use AU, masculine singular nouns. Ala is used with the feminine singular nouns starting with the consonant. So AU is used with masculine singular nouns starting with the consonant. Ala with the feminine singular nouns starting with the consonant. IL apostrophe is used with masculine feminine nouns starting with the vowel or silent H. AUX is used with plural nouns. Okay, AUX. Remember, any of the plural nouns we used AUX. Now with DE. When we combine DE with plus la, it becomes du. When we combine DE plus la, it becomes dala. When we combine DE plus L apostrophe, it becomes DL apostrophe. DE plus le becomes they. Okay. So the la plus la du, the plus la dala, the plus L apostrophe, DL apostrophe, the plus le becomes they. How we use them? Du for the masculine singular noun starting with the consonants, dala with the feminine singular noun starting with the consonants, DL apostrophe the noun starting with the singular noun, masculine feminine noun starting with the vowel or silent H, DES with the any plural nouns. Okay, just remember it. And the meaning of this is of, the, from, the. So we have two types of contractual articles with the preposition a and with preposition the. With preposition a we have o, ala, l apostrophe o, aux, that is, and with the we have du, dala, dl apostrophe, and they. Okay, just remember it. So in total 4 over here and 4 over here. So these are with the common nouns. Okay, now in the contractual articles we have one more rule. Let's see. Now before seeing one more rule, let's see some examples first. Over here, restaurant, je vais au restaurant. Restaurant is masculine singular noun, so we have written AU. O. Piscine, with piscine. Il va à la piscine. Piscine is feminine singular noun starting with the consonant, so it is à la. Nous allons Alicol. Ecol is feminine singular starting with the vowel. So L apostrophe is there. Ils vont au toilette. Okay, so toilet is again plural form. So we are using aux. Okay, these are preposition plus definite article. So the meaning is to the. Okay, and alle verb is there. So the meaning is to the. Now, in the next word, we will see the preposition, contractual articles. C'est le vélo du garçon. This is the cycle of the boy. C'est la mère de la fille. This is the mother of the girl. C'est le lait de l'enfant. This is the milk of the child. Ce sont les livres des étudiants. These are the books of students. Over here you can see du. Garçon is masculine singular starting with the consonant, so du is there. With fille is feminine singular starting with the consonant, so dala is written. Enfant is a masculine is a noun starting with the singular noun starting with the vowel e, so del apostrophe. Étudiant is a plural form despite it is starting with the vowel, but it's in the plural form. We are using des. Okay, I hope it's clear to you how we are using it with the masculine au and du. For feminine singular nouns ala, dala. For the singular noun starting with vowel or silent h, al apostrophe, del apostrophe. For the plural noun we have aux or des. Okay, is it clear? I hope. In the previous things we see previously that the nouns are the contractual articles are used with common nouns. Okay, now with the proper noun we must not use the contracted articles only. Use the contracted articles only, the prepositions. Okay, now over here we are not going to use the definite articles with it. Contractual articles are what? Prepositions with plus the definite articles. So whenever there will be a proper noun, we are just going to use the preposition itself, not the definite articles. Okay, so over here you can see je parle à Marie, c'est le vélo de Paul. Now Marie is a feminine noun, proper noun, that is a girl. This is the name of a female. So we don't see whether it is a feminine or masculine. We just see it is a proper noun. Okay, and we put a. I speak to Marie. So for to we have our preposition and we will just put a. Over here Paul is here. It is a proper noun. Now this is the cycle of Paul. So of meaning is there. So we have written the. We will just see whether it is a noun, proper noun or a common noun. It's a proper noun, so we will just write the. We will not write definite articles with proper noun. Only a preposition or the preposition depending upon the meaning, whether it is to, in, at or of or from. Okay, I hope it's clear. With de, if a proper noun is starting with the vowel, suppose an A-double-N-E is there, we will put D apostrophe. Just remember it. Okay. Now, I hope it's clear how the contractual articles are put. Remember, with the common nouns, we have a and the preposition with the definite articles. With the proper noun, we are just going to use the preposition a and the. Proper. How do we identify which is proper noun? Proper noun always start with the capital letter. So whenever there is a noun with the capital letter, it's a proper noun. Just remember it. I hope contractual articles are clear to you. That's all for today. Bonne journée.